In this video, I'll show you how to get a private server in Steal A Brainrot without Robux. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe to the channel for more such tutorials. So first up, let's find Steal A Brainrot. Right here, just click on the first search result, and then let's go ahead and open up the official Steal A Brainrot game or experience. Okay, this one. So click on it, do not click on play. All right, now scroll down. Okay, and you'll be able to find in here servers. Okay, when you click on it, I'm just going to go ahead and maximize this one. As you can see, whenever you wanted to create a private server, it will cost you 79 Robux. But if you want it free, in here we have a number of players. Click on it and just select ascending. All right, click on it, and as you can see here, we have a ton of servers that only contains one player. Now, if you're lucky enough, you'll be able to find 0 of 8 right here. Just spam join and you'll be able to join that specific server. If not, as you can see here, there are 1 of 8 people in these servers. But don't worry, some of the people right here are just AFK. Or if they want to play with you, well, go ahead and play with them. If not, if they're just AFK for a long time, you can go ahead and dive into a different server right here. Okay, that is it. Well, I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.